Welcome to Laci's Country Inn, your cozy getaway in the heart of Noster, Missouri. Experience comfort and convenience with our exceptional amenities. Enjoy our complimentary Wi-Fi, spacious parking, unwind in our serene outdoor areas. Our rooms are a haven of relaxation. Each features a comfortable bed, plus with a microwave and refrigerator in every room, you'll feel right at home. Explore Noster's charm. We're conveniently located near local attractions. Discover the beauty of Noster State Park, Western Missouri Women's Health Center and University of Central Missouri, or delve into history at the nearby museum. Laci's Country Inn, where comfort meets convenience. Book your stay today and discover Noster's hidden gem. For hotel booking, visit our website by clicking the link in the video description below. Visit us at www.laciscountryin.com.